Oceanic Cruiser 1970 rests here, deep midnight blue. We need to focus on the stern section first.
What is the projected current at that depth?
Minimal, we should have a clear window.
That's the Oceanic Cruiser, 70 meters down, the deep midnight blue.
Confirmed. The sonar readings match the wreck coordinates. Ready for launch.
I have visual on the target, confirming Oceanic Cruiser 1970, deep midnight blue. Roger, proceeding to the wreck site.
The stern is completely severed. Look at the data return here.
Confirmed. That impact must have been catastrophic.
The Oceanic Cruiser 1970 blueprint shows the impact here.
The deep midnight blue section is completely gone in this photo.
I need a full spectrum analysis on container deep midnight blue. C, take the drone to the aft section now.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised.
The laser scan confirms significant deformation at frame 42.
We require immediate backup at these coordinates. The Oceanic Cruiser 1970, deep midnight blue, is completely wrecked.
Acknowledged. Sending assistance now.
We're getting a clear visual on the nameplate now. Oceanic Cruiser 1970.
The damage to the bow is severe. I'm reading multiple breaches.
Priority container identified as part of Oceanic Cruiser 1970.
Control, this is Deck. Cables are secured on the Oceanic Cruiser. We are ready to initiate extraction sequence 1.
The cruiser was definitively wrecked in 1970. We need to focus on the recovery logistics.
Agreed. The deep midnight blue hull is fragmented here.
All right, team, remember the target is the Oceanic Cruiser 1970. Maintain strict protocols.
Readiness confirmed for Oceanic Cruiser 1970 extraction.
Container logged under Oceanic Cruiser 1970 recovery.
Condition logged under Oceanic Cruiser 1970.
Manifest confirms Oceanic Cruiser 1970 cargo. Arrival logged for Oceanic Cruiser 1970 cargo.
Seal ID confirmed. OC70B5, Oceanic Cruiser 1970. The seal is unlocked.
The schematic indicates the main power conduit is here.
But the corrosion on the hull joint is significant right here.
Agreed. We must prioritize the structural repair sequence.
Make sure you get deep into that grain right there. We need this section perfectly smooth.
Reading at 0.4 is constant.
Look at the stress fractures near the keel.
Check the serial number on that shaft. Hey,
Matches the manifest? I'm uploading the photo now. According to the manifest, this section was just reassembled. Check the alignment tolerance here.
Looks solid, Commander. The gap is uniform.
we nailed the finish on this one.
Better than new, honestly.